Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate, and please like this video. It really supports me. Today I'm gonna bake fish. I'm gonna show you how I baked my fish. I marinated it with salt, garam masala, lemon juice, and also turmeric powder. Yeah, and later on I put it on in the oven for an hour. So guys, watch till the end and see how it came out. It was really good. Watch it, my dear. Thank you. And please turn on the post notification bell such that you get notified whenever I post. And also, if you have any query, you can comment in the comment section.